Okay, so today I am going to try out Crumbl cookies. Like, I've been hearing about Crumbl cookies for weeks now, and I'm like, okay, fine. Today I am going in there to try it out myself, guys. So come with me. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I just want to wish you guys happy new year. Yay! We have made it to 2025. Yes, I just want to wish you guys all the best, good health and prosperity for this year. Okay? So I am starting out the new year with a whole lot of sugar, which is not good, but who can resist a good cookie? So I've been hearing about Cookie Crumble, and today is the day that I am going to try them out myself. Are these the cookies for today? Uh, do I have to order from there? Okay, but I don't know their names.
Okay, so this is classic pink sugar,
Mm-hmm.
cookie dough, French toast, a churro, cookies and cream cake,
Okay.
vanilla, chocolate chip, and M&M with peanut butter.
Okay, maybe I'm gonna try this one. What was this one?
Cookie dough.
Okay. I'll try this one. Oh my goodness, I was in here and I could not even make up my mind to which cookie I want, but finally I picked three. So I'm going home now and I can't wait to show you guys the ones that I got. Okay guys, so these are my cookies that I got. I'm gonna do my reveal now. So let's see this one here. Oh, this one I think is called French toast. Can't wait to try this. Okay, so let me try the French toast. See, it has like a cream on top.
Try it.
Mm-hmm. You want some ice cream?
Yeah.
How is it? Good? All right. Let's see the other ones.
I'll write down.
Okay, so the next one is, oh my goodness, I forgot the name of this one. Oh my gosh, I forgot. It's just like pink cream on top.
Eat it.
Okay, so let's try it. Okay. Mm. I like that the texture of the cookie is very soft.
Okay, can I try now?
Mm-hmm. Jojo is trying with me too. Okay. And the last one is some twirly thingy. I don't know.
That's mine.
You like that one?
Okay, I'll rate them at the end.
Okay, all right.
See if what I choose to eat.
Okay.
Wait, mommy, I think they're doing the name of that.
Yeah, it's not cinnamon roll. Okay, guys. This is the last one. Let's see how this is. Mm. Very good, but these cookies are so sweet. But taste very good. I really love it.
Can I try?
Okay, guys, these cookies were really nice. I'm happy I tried it. Would I go back and try it again? Yes, but not for anytime soon because they are really sweet. Okay, but soft and nice. Really nice treat now and then. Okay, guys, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.